Am I the only one that didn't know you can bathe in a forest? Forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, is a Japanese practice of immersing yourself in nature. It's all about slowing down, breathing deeply, and soaking in the forest vibes. Developed in Japan in the 1980s, Shinrin-yoku is rooted in ancient wisdom and backed by modern science. Studies show it lowers stress, boosts your immune system, and makes you feel awesome. No hiking gear needed. Just wander slowly, listen to the birds, and breathe in the fresh air. It's like a spa day, but in the woods. In Japan, it's a beloved escape from city life. So next time you're feeling stressed, try forest bathing. Your mind and body will thank you.